Alright, got these silver maple slabs and milled these up about 2 years ago, so they're good and dry, and just need to move these over to the shop and get them acclimated to our storage area, and then hopefully turn these into some projects here soon. So the trick is getting them to the shop when I have a Toyota Avalon. Let's see what we can do. Okay, got this kayak trailer here, and I'm going to be modifying it soon anyway. I'm putting a smaller box on here. This one's just way too big. So if I take the kayak off and go ahead and remove the box, which is something I'll have to do anyway, then I can probably do 2 slabs side by side, and I don't think I want to take any more weight than that. So I think that'll be my solution. I'll use this as my way of getting the slabs over to the shop. Alright, just looking at the slabs, and there is a little bit of rot, but I think some of it's just surface, and once we get it into the shop space and let it really air out, it'll be all good. Strap down. I did add this long ways strap, and then did a V here just to kind of hold it all in place, extra security. I am a professional ratchet strapper, so that's not going anywhere. Well, wish me luck.
Well, they're here. It was a lot of work, and I hope I don't have to move these anytime soon. We'll see you on the next one.